Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to enroll yourself with ASEA. So by the way, my name is Amanda Nav. I'm helping individuals how can they turn their health challenges into joy, into freedom, so they are able to move freely without any discomfort. And at the same time, I'm also a fitness coach and a transformation coach where I help individuals how can they discover their passion in life and unlock their greatness. So alright, so our topic for today is how to enroll yourself with ASEA. So if you want also to be coached by Amanda Nav, all you have to do is to enroll yourself here on my personal website. So my personal website is amandanav.myasealive.com, as you can see it here right now. So I just want also to highlight the moment you are successfully enrolled with ASEA, you can also have this beautiful website. So now let's dive deep into enrollment process. So as you can see this bar on the left side, click that, and then you can see it here, join here. So let's click this, join here. You can see this, select another country. So let's say you are in Singapore right now, but I just want to highlight that ASEA is available into 35 countries. So let's say, all right, let me show you first the countries. Australia, Belgium, Canada, and then you can scroll down until you can find your country. And of course, if you couldn't see your country here, it means that ASEA is still not available into that country. All right. So for the purposes of this video, let's click here, Singapore, and click yes. And then now you can see all these packages available inside my website. And of course, if you want to find out all this, all you have to do is to speak to me so I can also explain what is the difference of entrepreneur pack and this one, and family product, family pack, personal renew advanced pack, and personal pack. And then let's say you want to start with personal pack. And then if you want to find out the content, click here. As you can see this right, the 4 bottles, click that. And then you can find out the contents. Here you go. You can read it by yourself. All right. So now let's proceed to add to cart. And as you can see, it's automatically added the business package. This one, business e-kit, which is $30. Why is that? This one is your lifetime investment here in ASEA. So that means you are paying for the enrollment kit. All right, so as you can see it here, 395.25, and then let's proceed now to checkout. And by the way, let's proceed to the previews first. I just want to highlight right the moment you already add this to cart. So this one. So this is the business kit that I forgot to mention. So this is your lifetime access. All right, and then click checkout. So here you go. This is very, very important. So if you want to find out what is subscription all about, all you have to do is to reach out to me. But I just want to highlight that it's important for you to subscribe to receive your product or use or consume the product within the 90 days. I suggest that you have to subscribe. And then you have also the options of deleting your subscription. Again, you can always reach out to me and explain to you how can you do that. All right, for the purposes of this video, let's say you want to add this essentials bundle, and then you can see it here, the add to subscription, this one. Oh, there's also options, by the way, so just in case you don't like this essential bundle, and then you can also click here, shop subscription, click here, and then you can choose the products that you want to receive for next month. Let's say you want to receive only 4 bottles of ASEA, and then let's click that, and then you can see it here, there are 2 options, which is subscribe and add to today's order. So since I'm suggesting you to subscribe, so you will be able to receive another products, as you can see this date right, on the September 30th, 2024. You can also click here, and then you can move if you want to, but we can just remain to that. You can see it here. It's either 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, monthly. So let's click monthly. All right, and then save. All right, so you can see it's still the same, September 30. And then add to subscription, click here. All right, as you can see it here now, there are 3 packages. So which is personal pack, the one you chose just now, and then business kit, and then the subscription. Do remember the subscription will not be deducted to your ATM today's order. All right. So as you can see it here now, the total amount is 395.25. And then click checkout. And then we don't have any promotion code this month. And then you can also double check. All right, 395.25. So this is the order total for today's order. And then scroll down. All you have to do is to key in the basic info. So for the purposes of this video, let me use a fake account yet. And of course, I'll use this Starlet. So this is just temporary. Let's say Starlet at nav.com. All right, so make sure that your email address is active, so you will be able to receive some information from your order or information about ASEA. All right, it's much better if you keep your email active. And then let's say star Navarro. All right, Navarro. Okay, so making sure the name that you key in it here is the same as to your passport. All right, and then phone number, let's say 99882345. All right, and then address, let's say block 83 0589, let's say Bukit Tema. All right, and then the zip code, let's say, okay. All right, and then save address. We can save the address. And then this one is the shipping charge, which is 5.96. And then you can click here, continue to check out. All right, now you can see it here. The total amount that you have to pay is 401.74. And then now let's proceed now to your payment card. So this one, it's very important for you as well to use your ATM card. So the 16 digit in front of your ATM card, and then the expiry date, and then the CV, which is, you can find it, the 3 digits behind your card, and of course your name on the card is it's very important for you to key in your name. All right, as you can see it here, billing address, use my shipping address, or if you have any other cards, you can also choose different address. And then subscriptions, use same address as today's order. And of course, this is very crucial as well for you to successfully enroll yourself with ASEA. And then you must at least 18 years old to enroll. So make it sure that you have to key in your birthday. So let's say 1982, and then username. This is very important as well. So what username would you like to put in? And then password. This is a little bit sensitive, so make it sure that you have to choose a password that is not so complicated. All right, and then of course your website. This one you can also choose a website name. So let's say your website name will be Starlet 82, something like that, or think something that is very catchy, that is aligned to your heart. And again, you can always also change that. Again, you can always ask me how to do that. And then don't forget to check these agreements. Check here, put check, and then you can proceed to the checkout. Of course, I cannot proceed right now. I don't like also to put in my details here, I mean the card number, but I just want to show you the step by step how to enroll yourself. And I do hope that it's clear enough how can you enroll yourself by this explanation. Again, always reach out to me. And before I can end this video, right, I would like to highlight to you that you can receive an immediate receipt order, and it will automatically also send it to your email address. So make it sure that your email address that you key in or use in to your registration is active, so you will have access to that receipt sent to you by ASEA. All right, again, I'm so happy that I created this video for you, and I do hope that you understand. Again, if any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me, and if you want to be coached by me, don't hesitate to reach out to me via my messenger, Amanda Nav. On my Facebook is still Amanda Nav, and I look forward to transforming your health and at the same time coaching you and be a guide to you. All right, so again, my name is Amanda Nav. I'm a transformation and a fitness coach, helping individuals how can they transition themselves, or how can they transition their health challenges into freedom and joy. And I would be very happy to connect with you. All right, bye bye, and see you next time.